Hey there viewers, and welcome back. Today I want to take a look at installing this oil filter. So it is a little tiny black one. Not really seeing anything except 3V11 on it as far as a part number. So not real specific either way. We're going to put that in and we're going to thread down and tighten our two spark plugs. Let's make that happen. Okay folks, so the oil filter is pretty easy. We're simply going to take a little bit of clean motor oil on here and put a little bit on our finger and we'll smear on there. That appears to be perfectly clean. Simply thread this filter on and with a rag, tighten it about yay much. It's got a pretty definitive stop to it. Don't wrench it down any more than that. For the sparkies, just thread them in finger tight, bring them up to me. This is again a 13/16 for the spark plug socket. Well, there you got it folks. That is how you put your oil filter on and your spark plugs. This is everything we put on makes this look more and more and more like a real engine. Just a word of caution. The crankshaft should have just a tiny little bit of side to side, you know, clockward rotation, obviously, wobble, and it is no longer going to turn real easy because the cylinders, especially with all that oil we've put around those piston rings, it's going to have compression now, which makes it really, really, really difficult to freehand spin this motor over, but that's okay. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.